The book, le livre.
Le livre, the book.
The pen, la plume.
La plume, the pen.
La chaise.
La chaise.
Le crayon.
Le crayon.
Le cahier.
Le cahier.
Le papier.
Le papier.
Rouge, noir et blanc. Red, black and white.
Rouge, blanc, and white.
You're fairly bright. Now, please go back.
I'll bet I get them right. Rouge, blanc, et noir, le papier, le crayon, le crayon, la chaise, la plume, le livre est rouge, la chaise est noire.
That's wonderful.
You call this work, it's more like play. In no time flat your pal, Francais.
Had enough?
No, I'm just beginning.
Well, you asked for it. The door, la porte.
La porte, the door.
Of wood, du bois.
Du bois, of wood.
To open, ouvrir.
Ouvrir, to open.
To shut, fermer.
Fermer, to shut.
The pronouns that you need are je and vous.
Je means me, and vous means you.
Now do them all.
Just watch me plow right through. Je et vous, to shut, fermer, to open, ouvrir, la porte, du bois. Rouge, blanc, et noir, le papier, le crayon, la chaise, la plume, le livre. J'ouvre la porte, je ferme la porte.
It's marvelous.
My thirst for learning you can't quench. Come fill me up to here with French.
Or
more.
I'll explode.
Who cares?
The hand, le main.
Le main, the hand.
The mouth, la bouche.
La bouche, the mouth.
Les yeux sont bleus.
They sure are blue.
The hair, les cheveux.
Les cheveux, the hair.
The words for boy and girl, garçon et fille.
Garçon et fille are he and she.
Now from the top.
I'll get my French degree. Garçon et fille, les cheveux, the hair, les yeux sont bleus, la bouche, la main. Je et vous, de chaque fermé, de open, ouvrir la porte, du bois, rouge, blanc, et noir, le papier, le crayon, la chaise, la plume, le livre. Madame, monsieur, les yeux sont bleus.
Crazy.
Won't you come and join me in our dance?
You are the president of France.